Have you ever heard of the term the grand old lady? Well, if that doesn't describe an original farmhouse built in 1900 that spans 121 years of age and used to be on a 10-hectare sized block, loved and cherished by only 4 families, then I'm simply lost for words on how to describe such a one-of-a-kind, unique property. Hi, I'm Trent Vivian, and if you think you could be the 5th family in that iconic history chain, I think you need to come and check out 27 Chamberlain Street in O'Connor. Enter into the home and immediately the character explosion begins. Jarrah floors, high ceilings, leadlight windows, and wide arching hallways. Like, where do you stop with this type of property? There are 3 rooms at the front, one being currently used as a study or an office, and the other 2 as bedrooms. All rooms are decent size, feature inbuilt robes, with 1 bedroom having an ensuite. There's also another bathroom and a separate toilet for guests to access. As you make your way through to the kitchen, you'll notice this is where the period charm begins. As you can tell, the kitchen's been updated and open plan connected to the dining. Kitchen has stone bench tops, a large oven, gas cooking, double dishwasher, and plenty of storage. Out the back we go, and that iconic tin veranda vibe overlooking the backyard is just something to bestow. You've got great northern sun and shade protection at the same time, plus the original pool that once was is now the sanctuary for all the local frogs, which is something you just don't see every day in real estate. Finally, at the very back of the block, you have a self-contained studio. It's perfect for any large family that needs separation, or you might just have visitors that come all the time. Either way, it's going to be a pleasure to show you this property, as it's all the quirks that makes visiting such a home so enjoyable. So even if you're not out to buy, come and check it out.